Okay, good morning 10th class. Then as we all know, our third chapter, metals and non-metals, that chapter we have already completed, and hope so all of you have done NCERT question answers. Okay, to complete your work and send it to me. Okay, now before I'll start with another chapter, okay, means new chapter, either it's a carbons compound or maybe it's a fifth chapter, periodic classification of elements. Okay, before that I'll explain chemical formulae. Okay, actually some students are finding problem, okay, in writing formulae, means while writing chemical reaction they are finding some problem in balancing as well as in writing formulae. So again I'll tell you how to write chemical formulae, and 10th class for writing that one chemical formula, although it's a 9th class topic, we have already learned how to make chemical formulae, but still if you have problem I'll explain. Now in case of chemical formulae, okay, if you know valencies, means you know their charges कि उनकी valencies क्या है of atom or group of atom, तो you can easily make or write formulae. So your work is you have to learn you have to learn charges, okay, charges वगैरह सब learn करेंगे, and I'll tell you how to make chemical formula, but that is possible only when you will learn charges. Okay, so that one is your work, that one is given in your notebook, okay, and even it's present in your 9th class book also. Okay, so that one you can learn, and I'll tell you how to make formulae. Now just see, in case of suppose first one, how to make chemical formulae. So let's start with easy one. That one is, it's a potassium chloride. Now suppose your first chemical formula, that one is potassium chloride. Now how to write their formula? The first work is write down like this: potassium, that one is symbol is K, okay, chloride symbol is Cl. Okay, now in case of potassium, what about charge in potassium? That one is 1, although it's a +1, but we'll write 1. Chlorine, that one is also 1, it's a Cl negative. A negative shows what? It's a -1 charge. No need to write charge, okay, but only 1. So these charges cross multiply, one goes with K and this one goes with Cl. Okay, no need to mention 1, okay, like while writing formula, so you can write their formula directly. That one is KCl. Okay, now second one is, you can take another example. Okay, that one is, suppose it's that one is sodium nitrate. Okay, now in case of this sodium, that one is Na, and nitrate, this one is NO3 negative. This one is a formula, negative one is a charge. Sodium is 1, okay, NO3 is also 1, so this one goes along with Na, this one goes along with, okay, NO3. The formula of sodium nitrate, it becomes NaNO3. Okay, and 10th class, remember one thing, it's very important while writing, okay, formulae, if it's a capital O, capital N is given, so you have to write that only. अपनी handwriting की वजह से गलत मत करना. Okay, it's, for example, if this one is CO, it's a carbon monoxide, but in case if you will write CO like this, so this one is cobalt. दोनों में जमीन आसमान का अंतर है. वन इज अ कंपाउंड, अनदर वन इज अ एलिमेंट. ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियसली तो टेक केयर ऑफ योर हैंड राइटिंग ऑल्सो वाइल राइटिंग केमिकल फॉर्मूले स्पेशली. Okay, now this one is one pattern. After that, next one is, I want to more example. Okay, now just see, another one is, you can take, that one is calcium sulfate. Okay, in case of calcium sulfate, now calcium, it's a Ca, and what about sulfate? It's a SO4 2 negative. You see, this one is SO4, charges 2 minus. Calcium, it's a 2 plus, this one is 2 minus. No need to mention plus or minus. Now this 2 and 2. Now just remember one thing, whenever charges are cancelable, मतलब वो कट सकते हैं, तो you can cancel their charge 1, and after that cross multiply. So this one is CaSO4, this one is calcium, okay, sulfate. Another one is, we have, suppose it's a aluminium chloride. This one is aluminium chloride. The aluminium, it's a Al, chloride, this one is Cl, aluminium it's a 3, chloride it's a 1, 1 goes along with this, okay, this one goes with Cl, the formula become AlCl3. Okay, now just see this type you can write formula. Okay then class, now just see two more example. Magnesium hydroxide, magnesium, this one is Mg, hydroxide, that one is OH negative, Mg it's a 2 plus, this one is 1 minus, no need to mention this, 1 goes along with Mg, 2 goes along with OH, this one is very important क्योंकि यहीं पे गलतियाँ करते हो तुम लोग. Okay, now just see, this 2 goes with OH, दोनों के साथ जा रहा है, it's not going only with O or only with H. Okay, so you can write formula like this one is MgOH, this is whole twice, it's a MgOH whole twice because this 2 is for OH. Okay, now next thing is same condition, that one is calcium nitrate, that is NO3 negative, calcium is 2, this one is 1, 1 goes with calcium, 2 goes with NO3. So now just see in this one, this is Ca and this 2 is with NO3, इस पूरे के साथ जा रहा है, तो formula become NO3 and this one is whole twice. Okay, this one is very important. So 10th class, practice some questions, okay, that I will give you. Okay, and this type you can make formula, and if you know how to write formula to balancing of equation, because in that also there is a pattern कि first of all you have to write formulae and then you have to balance chemical equation, then it will be easy. Okay, to practice these questions also. Okay, thank you.